Well, it is day 2 in Florida's special session. Lawmakers are back in Tallahassee, hoping to fix the state's crippled property insurance market.
Today, lawmakers on both sides of the aisle talked about potential solutions to the issue that has affected so many of us. There were also questions about when Floridians might see any impacts if and when a bill is passed. News 6 investigator Lewis Bolden is back live now with details on today's discussions. Lewis.
Well, Ginger and Matt, today in the Senate, 19 proposed amendments were introduced. They all failed. Everyone is seeing increases in their insurance premiums, and there has been so much talk over the past 2 years about excessive litigation and roofing schemes. So Democrats today are basically saying, show us the receipts.
Senator Boyd, what percentage of claims filed result in litigation?
I do not know that number.
On the Senate floor, State Senator Jim Boyd answered questions about Senate Bill 2A, which he sponsored. Senator Jason Pizzo questioned why the bill seeks to do away with one-way attorney fees, where insurers pay a homeowner's attorney's fees if the homeowner sues and wins. Critics say it would make suing an insurance company more expensive for homeowners.
What number of claims that result in litigation show the plaintiff prevailing where these attorney's fees are paid?
Most claims settle, but I don't know the specific answer to your question.
It is a question that Democrats have been asking for some time, also asking for data about litigation rates, which Republicans claim is partially to blame for skyrocketing insurance premiums, along with fraud related to roofing schemes.
Do you recall on May 24th telling me I will get you that data?
It was a sentiment echoed by Representative Hillary Cassell.
We need actual data to verify if this fraud is really more of a talking point that's being pointed to without really the data to back it up.
Republicans say the Office of Insurance Regulation will be releasing that data from insurance companies in March, but the legislation is being voted on this week. The bill also reduces the time homeowners have to provide first notice of loss to insurance companies from 2 years to 1, and eliminates the ability to execute an assignment of benefits.
Adding some reasonable guardrails for companies against the frivolous litigation and fraudulent claims that drive cost up for everyone.
But for some lawmakers, the legislation is more of the same, which so far has not reduced rates.
Senator Boyd, this is the third property insurance bill that you've filed since I've been in the Senate, since we've been in the Senate together. And since that time, have we seen any decreases in property insurance?
Generally speaking, the rates are still going up because the lawsuits are still occurring, and the cost drivers are going up.
The Senate did pass 2 bills today. Senate Bill 4A, the Hurricane Recovery Assistance Fund, passed, and Senate Bill 6A, which offers a rebate to people who record 35 toll transactions per month. But the biggest issue on property taxes, they are still debating. Matt?
All right, let's hope they make some headway, Lewis. Thank you.